Pusat,
Unnecessaries are embarked.
this is Hamlet,
And sister, as to give you benefits
and we are ready to
do not sleep.
an act
Let me hear from you.
2, and we are already tired.
And the struggling of his nature called it a fashion.
Can you
And the
say
toy in the blood, a violet in the youth of primitive nature.
continue,
Forward,
Ahmed?
not permanent. Sweet, not
Continue, Ahmed.
lasting.
I cannot speak louder because there is some action in it.
Think it no more.
They are playing.
Perhaps he loves you now, and now must soil the bottle of this verse, the virtue of his will. But you must fear. His breath must wait, his will is not his own. For he himself is subject to his birth.
Makan.
He may not, as unvalued persons do, carve for himself. For on his choice depends the safety and health of his whole state. Then wait to applaud your honor, Mrs. A. If with the credit ear you miss a song, or lose your heart, or your chest where you're open to his unmastered importunity. Fear it,
Tahu ngojol
fear
nih.
it, my dear sister, and to keep you in the rear of your affection, out of the shouts and danger of desire. Beware it, best safety lies in fear. Give to yourself rebels though no one else